Transform your BMW 1, 2, 3, or 4 series into a tech powerhouse. The 10.25-inch wireless CarPlay screen delivers Linux stability, full OEM retention, and seamless Android Auto integration. Effortless upgrade. Plug-and-play installation replaces your factory screen while preserving every original feature. No coding, no headaches, just pure BMW enhancement. Cut the cords. Connect CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly via Bluetooth. Access Waze, Spotify, and take calls without cables. Enjoy a clutter-free drive. Linux-powered performance. Experience rock-solid stability, not Android. Built for speed, not app downloads. Personalize the startup logo. Make it uniquely yours. MirrorLink Wizardry. Wirelessly mirror your iPhone or Android screen. Navigate, stream videos, or project apps, all on a vibrant 1920 by 720 display. Factory-perfect controls. Keep your steering wheel buttons and original controls. Adjust volume, skip tracks, or answer calls, exactly as BMW engineered it. Intelligent display automatically switches between day and night mode with your headlights. Custom EQ tuning and Bluetooth 5.0 deliver concert hall audio. Precision fit, engineered exclusively for BMW 3 and 4 Series F30, F31, F32, F33, F34, F36, 2012 to 2016, with NBT system. Confirm compatibility before ordering. Picture this: cruising the highway with wireless CarPlay navigation, hands on the wheel, and your screen adapting to ambient light. For BMW enthusiasts who refuse to sacrifice OEM excellence for modern tech, this is the ultimate 2024 upgrade. Discover it on Aliexpress, where innovation honors BMW's heritage.